An all-party meeting was convened by the government ahead of the winter session of Parliament, and that has in fact concluded. Opposition leaders raised the issue of bringing law on minimum support price and disinvestment of profitable PSUs. Leaders like Mallikarjun Kharge, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, Sharad Pawar, Farooq Abdullah were present in the meeting. Meanwhile, AAP leaders walked out of the crucial meet and accused the government of muzzling the opposition's voice. The opposition is likely to flag up issues like law on MSP, rising inflation, Pegasus, fuel price rise and Tripura political violence, among others. The BJP is also planning to convene an executive meeting at 3 p.m. in a short while from now, and the NDA floor leaders meeting is expected to happen at around 4 p.m. Rajya Sabha floor leaders will also meet at 5:30 p.m. this evening. Meanwhile, TMC will not attend the opposition party's meeting called by the Congress. The meet is scheduled to take place tomorrow at 10 a.m.
बिना डिसरप्शन सदन चले, सदन का कार्यवाही चले, यही हमने रिक्वेस्ट अपोजिशन से किया है। सभी अपोजिशन हमको आश्वस्त भी किया है कि हम पूरा कोऑपरेट करेंगे और इस बार और ज़्यादा प्रोडक्टिव सदन होगा, सेशन होगा, ऐसे सरकार का उम्मीद है।
कम से कम 15-20 विषय पे चर्चा हुई और सभी पार्टियों ने ये डिमांड किया, खास करके जो किसानों का मुद्दा है, एमएसपी और इलेक्ट्रिकल बिल, इसके बारे में सरकार तुरंत एक्शन लेना चाहिए और एमएसपी के बारे में एक कानून बनाना चाहिए। उसी साथ कोविड का भी जो आज तीसरी लहर फैलने का एक अंदाजा दुनिया में चल रहा है, तो उसकी भी चर्चा हो गई।
Those farmers who have lost the lives in the agitation should adequately, those families should adequately be compensated. And further, insofar as MSP is concerned, YSRCP demands that a joint parliamentary committee should be constituted to talk to the stakeholders, and then MSP should be given a statutory status by making a suitable enactment in the parliament.
My colleague Kamaljeet Sandhu is now joining me live from Delhi on this. Kamaljeet, it appears that the opposition has several issues that it will be bringing forth in this winter session of Parliament. A law on MSP seems to be topmost of that agenda.
Well, yes, the opposition wants to embarrass this government. This is also a political season, especially because several states are going into polls, especially the state of UP and Punjab. And now they would want to embarrass the government, especially once the repeal of farm bills are saying, demanding a law on MSP, something which could spell trouble. But what is important and significant is that there seems to be no unity as far as the opposition is concerned. TMC and Congress wants to upstage each other in place so that they can take place of the main opposition leader. And that is what is being now seen, especially on the foreground of Parliament. What we've been told is that as far as TMC is concerned, they will not be attending the meet, which is going to be chaired by the Congress party. Some of them are saying it's the party's internal meet, which is happening in Kolkata. The fact is that TMC has hit out at Congress party, saying the house is not in order. Whether it is Tripura, whether it's Punjab, whether it's Uttarakhand, whether it is Goa, whether it's Meghalaya, the party seems to be facing dissent, and it seems to have members who are breaking away. So how can they be the ones who could be leading the opposition, especially against BJP? On the other hand, TMC is moving from strength to strength in several of the other states. So they're trying to place themselves as the main opposition party. But clearly, if the opposition is divided, what goes to the strength is that of the government.
Absolutely.
They have the numbers in the Lok Sabha. They would want to put the controversy of the farmers' bill right behind them. 19 November is the time when the Prime Minister had talked about it. Now it's time to fulfill the promise. Meanwhile, it is to be seen whether the opposition can put its act together.
Right. It remains to be seen, of course, Kamaljeet, if the opposition can put it act together, as you pointed out. Thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. Now, to speak of the opposition's agenda going ahead into the winter session of Parliament, what is on that agenda? Corner the centre on the 3 farm laws. Remember, the Farm Laws Repeal Bill has been placed before the Lok Sabha. It will come up. Press Modi government for a separate law on MSP. Raise issue of attack on civilians in Jammu and Kashmir, in fact, is one of the issues that the opposition will be placing in Parliament. Target the Modi government over inflation, a concern of the common citizen. Target the government over inflation. Demand Union Minister Ajay Mishra Teni's resignation. Remember, that's one of the demands the farmers are making. Question the government over the Lakhimpur Kheri violence. So clearly, as far as the farmers' agenda is concerned, much of those issues will be brought to Parliament by the opposition. Speaking of that, despite a raging farmers' agitation, sugarcane farmers say they have not been paid their dues for almost a year. But the UP government claims otherwise. Milan Sharma brings you this ground report from Western UP, Sisoli near Muzaffarnagar.